How to get free Roblox hair 2023. Roblox players are often looking for free hair that doesn't require Robux. As a very important accessory, the hair available in the avatar shop is often quite expensive. This time, VC gamers will discuss how to get Roblox hair for free, without having to spend it Robux. Curious how? Come on, see the discussion below. How to get free Roblox hair. Accessories in Roblox games are one of the factors that make an avatar more unique. Roblox players want a variety of accessories, one of which is hair. Hair available in the avatar shop often requires Robux to obtain. Here's how to get free hair through the Avatar Creator Catalog. Use Catalog Avatar Creator. Catalog of Avatar Creators is a very popular game because it makes it easy if you want to find and buy new accessories. Created in 2021, this game is already very popular with 1.7 million users adding this game to their favorites list. Currently, the number of active players in the Avatar Creator Catalog is 11,000 players. This very high number is also evidenced by the visits given by Roblox players for this game, which has reached more than 690 million visits. Using this game to find new accessories is very easy because there is a menu that applies filters according to your needs. If you use the menu Avatar Shop from Roblox, it will most likely take longer to try and is not as accurate. Meanwhile, using the Avatar Creator Catalog will be more efficient and the accessory trials will be more accurate because they are directly tested in the game. When you want to find free hair, you can use the filter feature which will be discussed below. Order of hair category according to price. Using the features in the game catalog of avatar creators, it will be very helpful when want to get hair for free. When you select the filter option like the image above, there will be a full selection of free hair that you can get without having to pay for Robux. Besides being able to see free hair, you can also try it right away like the picture above. To try on the selected hair, you can point the cursor at the hair you want to try and select Try. When selecting Try, the hair will be automatically attached to the left. Next, you can immediately buy the hair. Choose free hair according to your taste. How to use hair on Roblox a bit more different than other games. In this game, you can use up to 2 hairs at a time. Using 2 hairs at a time can create a better combination than using just 1 hair. Like the picture above, you can use 2 hairs at a time so as to create hair with the right volume. If you only use 1 hair, the avatar will look strange because the proportions of the hair and face don't really match. That's how to get free hair on Roblox by using the Avatar Creator Catalog. Hope this is useful.